Okay, this video is actually for Fanuc, which is A02B and 0281-C071 and C081. You have watched this video before. This section is only for the correction since I received few of the feedback from my customers. So we had LED kit. Previous LED kit comes with this plug. This plug plugs in, on the main board. I'm going to show you later, okay? But since my customers told me that this one cannot be removed because this 4-pack is for the batteries on these two models, okay? So which means that you still have to use the inverter, still have to mount back to the same location, and then we're going to solder the wire to the supply, okay? So again, we have LED kits, we have the LCD screen completely. And so this one, I already removed the screw. This one's already upgraded to LED. Let me see, I have IoT, I can show you. This is ours. It's already upgraded to LED, I show you. You see this, always upgraded to LED. Again, like I said, I received few feedbacks that this 4-couple pad is for the batteries. So if we move it and put this one in, then they can connect the battery. So the way is really easy to correct that. So you're going to disconnect this one, right? And then we're going to reconnect it back. Okay, show you careful. This one's positive, this negative. Positive, we're going to solder the red wire here and black wire here, and then put the screw back. Problem solved. We still mount the inverter back to the same location like here, so that way you can connect the battery to it. So I just soldered the wire here to all the way on the left side, the pin one, the red wire, the black wire, so on pin 2, okay. Then I put the 2 screw back, so that way I'm going to connect this here, so that way you could connect the battery pack connector to this 4 here. So pretty much that's about it. It's the only thing that you need to reuse the old inverter instead of throw away in order to connect the batteries. And then just mount the inverter here. There's plenty of space. Mount our LED driver here. And you just put the back cover back, and that's it. All right, thank you for watching.